Learn with Eddie. Is everything ready, Eddie? Great! In that case, let's go to the Brazilian Carnival. We're going to have an amazing time with the people, the dancing, the music, the costumes. You'll see. What is it, Eddie? Don't tell me you forgot your costume. You're a disaster, Eddie. What did you even pack into your suitcase anyway? You're only bringing loads of chocolate and maracas. They're really fun. But you also need a costume. What do you say we dress you up as an animal? A parrot? Great! That's the perfect costume. It's very colorful. And what about you guys? What are you going to dress up as this year? You can tell us in the comments. Come on, Eddie, we don't have much time. Our plane leaves shortly. Let's see, animal costumes. We have lots of stuff, Eddie. But what could we use? Are you sure, Eddie? Think it through. Are parrots fish or birds? That's right, they're birds. They have wings and feathers, so... That's it, Eddie. We're taking the feathered skirt. See what I was telling you about colors? Parrots come in so many colors, almost as many as the rainbow. Come on, let's do the next part. I'm sure it'll be easier to pick from now on. That's it, Eddie, on the first try. The colors, the feathers, that one was easy. Isn't it cool? But there's still something very important missing. What could it be? Horns? Are you sure? I think you got it wrong, Eddie. Parrots don't have horns. Or a mouth either. Because they have... beaks. Well done. And done. Here is your parrot costume. But as you know, the Brazilian Carnival is very special. So your costume needs a special touch. This incredible feather crown. Ready? Here it is. Isn't it just amazing? Wait, let me help you. It's a tad heavy, isn't it? All right, Daddy. Let's go to the carnival. Hi, Eddie. Ready for coloring? Great! Today we have a very special picture for you to color in. I bet you can't guess what it is. No, it's not a burger. It's not a pumpkin either. You're so greedy, Eddie. What about you guys? Can you guess what it is? What else would you like to color in with Eddie? I bet you can think of lots of stuff, can't you? Well, you can tell us in the comments and I'm sure... All right, here it goes. Eddie, today you'll be coloring in... Eddie! I bet you weren't expecting that. You're going to color yourself in. But no cheating, okay? This Eddie has to be different. Very colorful. For instance, imagine he has a green body. What do you think? Or even better, blue. Oh, that's right. Pink is your favorite color. In that case, Pink Eddie. But we can still color in other parts. For example, what do you say we color in your teeth and fingernails green? Because they aren't always all that clean, if I'm being honest. Don't be cross, it was just a joke. You always remember to brush them in the end. Oh, and what about your crest? We could give it a punk touch. Purple! That's such a good idea, Eddie. Perfect! This is just what we were going for. The only thing left now is your tummy. No, it's just a manner of speaking, Eddie. You're perfectly fit. Okay, which color should we pick? Red! Fantastic! Oh, all right then. Blue. Yellow. Which is it, Eddie? Finally! A rainbow! That's a great idea, Eddie! These colors are amazing! It's just what it needed, the cherry on top. Perfect! A new Eddie! And do you know what the best part is? We can color it in again using different colors. My turn! My Eddie will be... spotted! What about you guys? How would you color in Eddie? You can download the picture and send us a photo.